This
What's up,
is a
YouTube
Great
family?
One
Native Instruments has come out
Productions.
with another one, and right now it's free. So this will be my first time going into it. It's called Harp. It's a contact player instrument. So I don't know exactly what it sounds like. Irish Harp. So Native Instruments got a summer sale coming out. I'm not sponsored by them at all. I just like the instruments. I figure out whenever I get something new, I'll share it with everybody else. We're gonna direct your head over here to the screen, and I'll just create a new. Let me just go in and pull up the instrument. Audio units, contact. Actually, let's pull this up. All right, here we go here. Irish Harp. Irish Harp. Let's see what it hit like. This automatically draws me into Irish Harp April Rain. I seen on a video the other day when I was watching, I was sending my ride, how this tremble mode, you can pull this down and it play the first two sounds of the instrument. That's unique. So let's try and put something together right quick and see what that sound like, baby. We're gonna leave the contact instrument in group A, sound 1, and for the sake of time, let's go in and just put together a simple beat or something, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to a loop. I'm gonna put a loop in and see what it hit like throughout a loop. Go over here in my external hard drive. Let's see here. I got the Wavy Grind producer kit, and it's pretty decent. Drum loops and everything, pretty fire. So let's go in and try some of these melodies. And when you click on some of these melodies, that sounds pretty decent. All right, we're gonna work with that. So let's bring that over. We're gonna drop that in the sound slot 1 in group B. And remember, always turn your polyphony down so the sounds won't overlap each other. See that? It was on 2, so it started overlapping. Alright, let's get that recorded in and see what it hit like. That's at 80 BPMs. And remember, you can change your BPMs on the machine. You can change it in the software. Your choice, your preference. There, I just chose to use it on the machine. And I got my recording set to auto, so whenever it stops playing, it's automatically set to loop. It sounds sweet. I can hear some good kicks in that. But I'm gonna do something simple for the sake of the video. We're gonna let that play out. This might be about 16 bars. It's kind of dull, so I'm gonna light it up a little bit. Put a little EQ on it. Alright. So I think we're at about 16 bars. We're gonna run that back again to the C. And what I'm doing now is I'm just setting my bar count up. And remember, there's 2 ways you can do that. You can do it in the software right here, or you can hold down on the hardware, you can hold down record, and you can do it up in your right screen. So let's see what we got here. Let's play that. I didn't count it. I really think it might be 16 bars. But either way it goes, it's gonna chop, 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 chop. We're gonna chop it up. It's kind of got a sad feel to it. That's what I get off of that. I get like a sad feel to that. 16 because we're gonna chop it up. Hit back. Alright. Let's stop that. Let's go off into another group. Let's grab, I'll make these sounds myself. Let's grab, let's go into another expansion. Let's say, I'm go to my go-to. Let's go to one of the kits and laser dice, hip hop. We're gonna go over here. We got a kick, snare, close hi-hat, open hi-hat, a bass kick. I'm gonna hit my velocity and cut that up so we can get it at the loudest. Alright, we're gonna make, and here we're gonna do, let's say, let's do a 2-bar loop just to get things started. Alright, here we go. I don't like that already. We're gonna take that out. Here we go. Alright, check us out. Alright, here we go. Let's quantize that. Check it out. For some reason, I'm gonna stop that. For some reason, when it sounds more potent on the keyboard for some sounds. Okay, yeah, you know I have to keep that in there. We don't want to damage the keys, you know what I mean? But for some reason, it sounds just a little bit more potent on the keyboard. Let's see it. Here we go. Also, remember this, you can harmonize these sounds how you want them. You know what I mean? So we're going to go back in, just come out of the mixer mode so y'all can see what I'm saying. On the MK3 is a variation mode. So let's stop those sounds right there. We're going to go into variation mode. And my velocity, I'm going to put that at, let's say 87. I'm going to keep the velocity high at 127. And the time shift, let's say, let's do that at 4%. So it's gonna kind of like get those hi-hats like a more humanly feel. It's like a more humanly feel. All right, here we go. Let's apply that and let's see what it sounds like. See how those hi-hat sound now? Bring them down a little bit. Last but not least, let's go off into that harp, that Irish harp. So here we go. Remember I kept it on group A. That's fine. Let's see what that hear like. Take and quantize that. Let's do a variation on that and see what it sounds like. Let's apply that one. Here we go. So far, sound pretty good. I'm gonna play around with this thing, but y'all go download it. If not, I think it go back up to like $49 or something like that. But right now they're giving it out for free. Check it out. I'm gonna ride off this beat right here. Peace. Yeah, yeah. I get some singing vibes on that. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready.
This is a Great One Productions.